guys, welcome back to Little Country Acres. This is the last part of our water heater install with the hot water recirculating system. The only purpose in this is the kitchen sink. It is the farthest away from the water heater and the recirculating pump. So my main goal is to install this. Get this installed underneath the kitchen sink because this has a sensor in it, kind of like a car thermostat. When it gets to a certain temperature, this closes though. When it gets warm enough, it closes, and when it drops, it opens up and allows the hot water to recirculate. So I'm going to do what it takes to get this installed here. Readjust my camera here. I'm working again with polybutylene. I'm trying to get this camera established here. Here we go. So I've got to go from polybutylene to PEX again, and I've got fittings and things like that. I've also got a couple of helpers with me today. My first helper this is Lucy. Lucy is supervising, and then I have a safety director, her brother, they're twins, and this is Louie. Yeah. So Louie and Lucy are gonna make sure that I get this done right. Get that right, guys? Yeah, Louie says, he grunts a lot. So anyway, these are going to be my two supervising helpers here, Louie and Lucy, and they're going to make sure that I get this done right. So let's get to it. This kitchen sink is the farthest away from the water heater, so the water takes at least 1 minute and 30 minutes, but to get up full temperature, a minute and 30 seconds to 1 minute and 45 seconds to get up full temperature. So this will allow hot water to stay in the plumbing system, but it's got to be on the faucet that's the farthest away from the water heater. In this case, it's about 80 feet away. So I'm gonna get this done, and then I'll plug in the recirculating pump, and then I'll give it a test tomorrow morning. I always wake up and I have to heat up my coffee cup or else my coffee gets cold, and it takes me forever to get hot water into my cup. So hopefully it should take 3-4 seconds. I should have hot water. So we'll jump right into it and see how it goes. All right. It could be a lot cleaner if I drilled another hole over here, had the pipes come up symmetrically. That would be great. But I'm redoing these cabinets, so it's not that big of a deal. But the water is on. The sensor should be working now. The water should be circulating. All water's on. No leaks. That's the main thing. And yeah, hopefully tomorrow morning I'll wake up and I don't have to run the water for a minute and a half, minute 45 seconds to warm up my coffee cup. So we'll do a test on that, and then we'll post the final results. And again, I know this could be a lot neater, but like I said, these kitchen cabinets are getting totally redone anyway. So I'm not going to worry about it too much. That goes off to feed the dishwasher. And it never did have an on-off for that. So it does now. So we'll see how this little dude works. Anyway, I'll give you guys an update.
All right. Well, it's first thing in the morning. The hot water hasn't been ran at all. So we'll turn it on and see how long it takes to get up to, say, 100. much better. Much better.